Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our iTel Fit O23 Plus Smartwatch, and on this video we are going to pair it with its support app, the iPulse application. So we have here the QR code. We also have the QR code on the smartwatch. Okay, we have it here. Settings, about, and we have the QR code here. Scan the QR code to download the app and pair the device. Okay, so we have an option to scan this, but on this video we are just going to search it on the Google Play Store. We are already familiar with the application. We know the name of the app. We are not going to scan the QR code anymore. Anyway, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop the comment below and support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and connect our iTel Fit O23 Plus Smartwatch with our iPulse application on Android smartphone. Okay, let's put this here. Let's search the app. We are not going to scan the QR code anymore. Instead, we'll search the name of the application. So we have here the application from Transsion Holdings. It is around 76 MB. If you want to install the app, tap on install. It will download the app and will automatically install it on our Android smartphone. So tap on install. Let's wait for it to complete its download. Okay, and it's now installing. Let's wait, and now it is installed. So let's open the application. Let's open the app. Tap on open. Okay, tap on welcome, agree, skip here. We'll skip this one. It's just an introduction. Then you can set your profile if you want, but in our case, we'll skip. Then background running. Okay, you can set it up later. Allow here the permission for the physical activity, for the notification. Then we have here the menus on the bottom part. We have here the device. To pair your smartwatch, tap on add. Okay, it is asking to log in. So we will log in with our account. We already have an account. Tap on privacy policy here to agree. We'll put our email here and we'll get the verification code to continue. As you can see here, we are logged in, or we have successfully logged in to our account. Okay, next, to add our smartwatch or to connect, tap on the add here. And as you can see, we have here our smartwatch. To pair, tap on the iTel ISW23 Plus Smartwatch, and as you can see here, our smartwatch is asking to bind. Tap on the check button here. Okay, select the data source for daily steps. Let's pair our Bluetooth here. Then watch only or Smart Fusion. I guess watch only. Done. Let's see. And as you can see, we are connected. Okay, let's check other settings. It's now loading dashboard. Let's see what are the options. So we have here the weather, awake time. Let's change it to 20 seconds. We have a time format here. Let's change it to 12-hour format time. And I think that's it. Let's go back. Search variable. Let's see. And it is working. Okay, quick reply. What else do we have here? Push notifications. Let's activate. Just allow the permission here. Turn on. Look for the iPulse app. We have it here. Let's activate. Allow. Go back. Then activate some of the apps here. Instagram, Messenger. Okay. Then go back. Let's have the Bluetooth calling. Let's see the settings here. We have the sync contacts, open contacts, allow. Let's add our number here. Import watch. And if everything is okay, we will be able to see the number here. We have the call, contacts, and we have it here. Okay, so everything is set. The basic setup for our iTel Fit O23 Smartwatch. Okay, with our Android smartphone. Okay, again, this is the O23 Plus Smartwatch. Okay, tutorial on how to connect it with our Android smartphone. And of course with the iPulse application. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup process, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.